Hi CentumAPP viewers, now I am going to explain this year mains question. Given question is, let the equation x into x plus 2 into 12 minus k is equal to 2 have equal roots. Then the distance of the point k by 2 from the line 3x plus 4y plus 5 equal to 0 is. Given one equation having equal roots, they asked the distance of the point from this point to this line. That is the question. Yes, what is given equation? X into x plus 2 into 12 minus k equal to 2. That is given equation. Now we assume let 12 minus k is equal to lambda. Yes, substitute lambda in given equation. We can get x into x plus 2 into lambda. This right side equal to transpose to this side, minus 2 equal to 0. Yes, now multiplying x into x square, x into x square into lambda, lambda x square, x into 2, 2x into lambda plus 2 lambda x minus 2 equal to 0. Now it is a quadratic equation. This equation only having equal roots. Equal roots formula is b square minus 4ac equal to 0. B square minus 4ac equal to 0. Yes, here a value is lambda, b value is 2 lambda, c value is minus 2. Substitute in this 2 lambda whole square minus 4 into a value is lambda into c value is minus 2 equal to 0. Now 2 lambda whole square is 4 lambda square minus into minus plus 4 2's 8, 8 lambda equal to 0. Yes, from these two terms 4 lambda is common, remaining in first term is lambda plus 4 2's 8, that's why lambda plus 2 equal to 0. Now from this equation 4 lambda equal to 0 means lambda equal to 0 or lambda plus 2 equal to 0 means lambda equal to minus 2. Lambda equal to minus 2. This is lambda equal to 0. See now lambda equal to 0. Substitute in given equation x into x plus 2. 12 minus k value only we assume lambda. Yes, lambda value 0 means this LHS value becomes 0. Means 0 equal to 2 will come. That's why lambda equal to 0 is not satisfying. That's why ignore lambda equal to 0. Means we can take lambda equal to minus 2 only. Yes, take lambda equal to minus 2. Now lambda means we assume 12 minus k. That's why substitute 12 minus here 12 minus k. 12 minus k, no? Yes. 12 minus k is equal to minus 2. Yes, minus 2 transpose this side. That's why k is equal to 14. K value we got 14. Now find this point k comma k by 2 given. Now substitute k value in this, we can get 14 comma 14 by 2 means 7. Point is 14 comma 7. Given line, what is given line? 3x plus given line is 3x plus 4y plus 5 equal to 0. See, we have a formula, the distance between from the point x1 comma y1 to the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. The distance between from the point p x1 y1 to the line ax plus by plus c equal to 0. formula is distance represent with d. D is equal to modulus of a x1 plus b y1 plus c by square root of a square plus b square. This is the formula. Yes, now here we got point 14 comma 7. This is x1 y1. Yes, ax plus by plus c. Here a value is 3, b value is 4, c value is 5. Now we have a, b, c values and x1 y1 values. Substitute in that formula, we can get d is equal to a x1. A value is 3, x1 value is 14. That's why modulus of 3 into 14 plus b y1. B value is 4, y1 value is 7. That's why 4 into 7 plus c. C is 5 by square root of a square plus b square. A value is 3, b value is 4, means 3 square plus 4 square. Distance d is equal to 14 3s 42 plus 4 7s 28 plus 5 by here root 3 square means 9, 4 square means 16, 9 plus 16 25 modulus. Now add 42, 2 plus 8 10, 15, 4 1 plus 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 2 7, 75 mod 75 by root 25. Root 25 means 5. Modulus of 75 by 5. Now simplify. 5 ones 5, remainder to 25 means 5 5s. See, we got the distance between from the point 14 comma 7 to the line 3x plus 4y plus 5 equal to 0 is 15. That's why see options, our correct option is 1. Given question is, if the length of the minor axis of an ellipse is equal to 1/4 of the distance between the foci, then the eccentricity of the ellipse is. Yes, okay, first of all, see here, x axis is major axis, y axis is minor axis. Okay, now f1 and f2 will be foci of an ellipse. See here, from center to f1 distance is AE. Similarly, from center to foci, f2 distance also AE. That's why now distance between the foci is AE plus AE, 2AE. That's why first focus f1 point is minus AE comma 0. f2 point is AE plus AE comma 0. Yes, similarly major axis A points are minus A comma 0, means from center to A distance is A, from center to B distance also A. That's why A comma 0 means major axis length is 2A. Minor axis from 0 to from center to C distance is B, that's why 0 comma B. Now D points are 0 comma minus B. Now minor axis length will be 2B. See here, now observe given question. The minor axis of an ellipse, here minor axis ellipse distance is 2B. 2B is equal to 1/4 of the distance between the foci. Here distance between f1 and f2. Here AE and here AE. Total length will be 2AE. 2AE. See, now observe left side 2 and right side 2 gets cancelled. Now here B, here A is a transpose this side, B by A is equal to E by 4. Yes. Now what they asked in question, eccentricity of an ellipse. Eccentricity of an ellipse is E is equal to square root of 1 minus B square by A square. Yes, here we know b by a value. Now substitute e is equal to square root of 1 minus b square by a square means now squaring on both sides b square by a square is equal to e square by 4 square. E square by 4 square means 16. E square by 16 means b square by a square value is e square by 16. Now substitute 1 minus e square by 16. Yes. Now squaring on both sides, we can get left side e square, here right side square and square root gets cancelled. That's why we can get 1 minus e square by 16. Minus e square by 16 transpose this side, we can get e square plus e square by 16 is equal to 1. Okay, now take LCM. 16 is the LCM. 16 e square numerator 16 e square plus e square is equal to 1 means 17 e square by 16 is equal to 1. Cross multiply 17 e square is equal to 16 into 1 16. 17 transpose that side, e square is equal to 16 by 17. Now find the e value, square transpose that side, it becomes square root means 16 by 17. E is equal to eccentricity. Now root 16 value is 4 by root 17. See, they asked find the eccentricity of an ellipse. Eccentricity of an ellipse is 4 by root 17. Yes. Now check options. 4 by root 17. 4 by root 17 is correct answer. See again, next question. The largest n belongs to n such that 3 power n divides 50 factorial is. See here they asked 50 factorial divide with the 3 power n. What is the n value? See, before going to do this sum, we need one formula, that is Legendre's formula. That formula is the exponent of prime number p. The exponent of prime number p in prime factorization. N factorial is given by sigma k equal to 1 to infinite bracket n by p power k. Here bracket n by p power k represent bracket function. Another name step function also, floor function also. Yes, what is the expansion of this one? Sigma k equal to 1 to infinite bracket of n by p power k is equal to, now substitute k equal to 1, we can get bracket function of n by p power 1. Sigma represents sum, that's why plus n by k value 2 means n by p square bracket function plus n by p cube bracket function plus n by p power 4 bracket function plus and so on. Based on the sum we can write this. Okay, now here what is given? 50 factorial. 50 factorial can be written as 2 power alpha into 3 power beta into 5 power gamma. See this 50 factorial can be written as 2 power alpha into 3 power beta into 5 power gamma. Here what they asked here 3 power n means here 3 power beta value they asked. Okay, yes, now we utilize this formula. first we can find n value here 50, that's why 50 by 3 we can find 50 by 3. Now divide with 3. 50 by 3, 3 ones 3, 3 sixes 18, remainder 2.316 means bracket of approximately return 16.6. Bracket function of 16.6 is 16. Next 50 by k value 2 means 3 square. 50 by 3 square. 50 by 9. 50 by 9. Okay, 50 divided with 9. 9 5 is 45. Remainder 5.50. 9 5 is 45. Okay, approximately 5.5. Bracket function of 5.5 gives 5. Yes. Next. Next. Bracket function of 50 by 3 square means after 3 cube. 3 cube means 50 by 3 cube means 27. 27. Yes, 50 divided with 27. 27 ones 27, remainder 23. 23 point with 230. 27 maybe 8s approximately I took. Bracket function of 1.8 equal to 1. Next 50 by 3 power 4. 50 by 3 power 4 means 81. 50 divided with 81 we can get 581 sixes, approximately 0.6. Bracket function of 0.6 is 0. See, until 0 comes we can expand these terms. Okay, here a bracket of 50 by 3 power 4 value gives us 0. Now we can add this all. Why? Because here bracket function of n by p power 1 plus bracket function of n by p square plus and so on like this. That's why we can add this all. That's why here n, they asked n is nothing but here beta. That's why n is equal to beta is equal to sum of these values 16 plus 5 plus 1 plus 0 is equal to 16 plus 5 21, 21 plus 1 22. Yes, see, means 3 power 22 will come, means 3 power 22 divides 50 factorial, then only n value will be 22. Yes, that's why see options, option second is correct answer. Yes, all of you understand. Thank you all.
CentumAPP. You dare to dream, we care to accomplish.